In this video, we are going to see that if your Roblox mobile app keeps on crashing while playing any game in the app, here's how you can quickly fix that. So there are a couple of solutions that you can try. First of all, you need to make sure that you have enough memory and storage on your mobile phone. And the quick solution to free up some storage or memory in the background is to close all the additional app that is open in the background. So you just swipe up and you close all the other apps so that it can free up some memory in the background, but enables you to run games smoothly in Roblox. But if you're still having the issue, what you can also do is you just go to the Roblox icon and just hold onto it, and once you see this all options, that is remove, uninstall and app info, we go to app info from here, and from here we go to storage and cache and we click on clear cache from here. After that, just exit out of the application and just try to run it again, and hopefully it should run smoothly. Also, what you can do is if it is hanging or crashing on some particular game, what you can do is you launch that game. For example, in this case, I'll launch Please Donate. So once we launch this game, maybe what you can do is just click on the Roblox icon on the top left hand corner, and from here we hit settings. From settings, we need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here it says graphics quality. So if it is increased, you might need to reduce it a little bit, or if you are unable to increase or decrease the graphics quality, you can try changing the graphics mode from automatic to manual, and then you can reduce the quality. After that, it should work fine. Also, what you can do is you can turn on the full screen mode, so when you start playing the game, it will be in the full screen mode, so that will prevent the crashing as well. And after that, what you can do is just try restarting your phone and see if that helps. But alternatively, if it doesn't work and all of the methods doesn't work for you, what you can eventually do is just try uninstalling the application and then just reinstalling that and see if that helps for you. So these are some of the quick fixes that you can try to prevent crashing in the Roblox mobile application. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.